Hello students, the topic of the speech is Teachers' Day. Good morning respected principal, beloved teachers and dear friends. Today we gather to celebrate an extraordinary day, Teachers' Day, observed on September 5 to honor the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a great scholar and India's second president. Teachers are the architects of our future. They guide us not just through textbooks, but also through life, helping us grow into confident and kind individuals. A teacher's role extends beyond academics. They inspire curiosity, foster values, and shape our character. In challenging times like the pandemic, teachers adapted quickly, continuing lessons through online classes, showing us that learning never stops. They are the building blocks of society. As Governor Gehlot recently said, teachers are like lamps who dispel darkness with knowledge and wisdom. They not only teach us subjects, but also help build a better tomorrow. In closing, let us thank our teachers for their patience, guidance, and unwavering support. Let us promise to learn with respect, grow with gratitude, and make them proud. Happy Teachers' Day! Don't forget to subscribe.